Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn English. Today we're going to learn one of the most important common verb in English. It's the verb go. We use go every day. We say we go to school, we go to work, we go shopping, we go swimming, and we talk about our future plans using going to. So in this lesson we are going to learn 4 useful ways to use go. Let's get started. To move from one place to another, we say I go by bus. I am in one place and I move to another place, my workplace. My brother goes to work by car. With I, we say I go. But with he, she, it, we say he goes, she goes, it goes. Here are some more examples. I go to school every day. We go to the supermarket. She goes to work by bus. He goes to the gym. They go to the park. Practice with me. I go to work. She goes to work. They go to school. Now let's discover go plus prepositions. We can use go with different prepositions. For example, go in or go into. She went into her room. She was outside the room and then she entered it. Go out of. He went out of the house. He was inside the house and then he left. He went up the stairs. He moved from the lower place to the higher place. Go down. She went down the stairs. She moved from the higher place to the lower place. So remember, go into means enter. Go out of means to leave. Go up means to move higher. Go down means move lower. Now we have very useful structure. Go plus verb ing. We use this structure for many activities. For example, go shopping. I go shopping every Saturday. Go swimming. I go swimming in the morning. Go dancing. Let's go dancing. Let's add more extra examples. We say go sightseeing. We went sightseeing in London. Go skiing. She goes skiing in winter. Go fishing. My father goes fishing at the weekend. Let's learn some common expressions. Go shopping. I go shopping on Saturday. Go swimming. We go swimming in summer. Go dancing. Let's go dancing. Go sightseeing. They went sightseeing. Go skiing. He goes skiing in winter. Go fishing. My father goes fishing. Let's do some practice. Complete this sentence. I go on Saturday. I go in summer. Let's go. Excellent work. Now we are going to learn another very important expression, which is be going to. We use be going to plus verb to talk about future plans or intentions. For example, I'm going to study English tonight. This is my plan. She's going to visit her aunt on Saturday. This is her plan. We are going to stay at home on Saturday. This is our plan. He's going to meet his friend tomorrow. This is his plan. The structure is subject plus be plus going to plus verb. Let's see more example. I'm going to study. You are going to study. He is going to study. She is going to study. We are going to study. They are going to study. Look at the verb after going to. It stays in the base form, so don't change it. I am going to study. We don't say I am going to study. Incorrect. She's going to visit her aunt. She's going to visited her aunt. No. What's the difference between go and go to? This is important. Let's look at these two sentences. I go to school every day. This is our routine. I am going to school tomorrow. This is a future plan. So I go once talking about routine and regular actions. I am going to once talking about future plans. Let's add another example. I'm going shopping on Saturday. That's my routine. But I am going to shopping tomorrow. That's my plan for the future. Let's do some practice. What have we learned today? Go means move from one place to another. I go to work every day. Go plus preposition. Go into the room. Go out of the house. Go up of the stairs. Go down the stairs. Go plus ing form. Go shopping, go swimming, go fishing, go skiing. Be going to plus verb. We use it for future plans. I am going to study tonight. She's going to visit her friend tomorrow. Now I want you to take some moment to do this homework. I want you to write 5 sentences in the command by using go, goes, go plus verb ing, go plus preposition, go, be going to with future plans. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that this lesson is very clear for you. See you in the coming vocabulary uses. Have a good day.